is Kris Statlander.
Willow Nightingale, after what we did to you last week, I know you want to beat my ass. I know you want to beat Kris Statlander's ass. But if you lay one hand on me or her, you'll be pop-locking in the same cell as Justin Timberlake. This woman is one of the best.
Stokely. Hey, how are y'all doing there, Fairfax? Happy Juneteenth? Oh, and Statlander, congratulations on your win. You get to move on to the second round. And I don't know if you saw the brackets, but I've got Serena Deeb this Friday on a Rampage right here in Fairfax, Virginia. And when I win and move on to the second round, there will be no more running. I'll get to whoop your ass, Kris, and then I move one step closer to my goal of going to Wembley Stadium. So I'll see you all Friday.
Well, the first round match, Willow Nightingale, Serena Deeb, coming up this Friday night, 10/9 Central on Rampage. But let's take you back to last Wednesday night. Chris Jericho attempting to impart some knowledge, to have private